Stop playing with your body, lady. Stop feeling like you're not enough. Stop feeding into the haters. Stop and give yourself some love. Whoa. So I'm staring at the mirror, getting faded, saying you won't fall in love. So trusting all these fake idiots. Trust me, they don't give a fuck. Whoa. I'm tired of seeing it. I'm tired of